Signals matter more than truth, and this is uncomfortable but true that CVs aren't about your full truth. It's about signaling that you're the right fit. Recruiters and managers are always looking for evidence, keywords, tools, outcomes, anything that matters, anything that overlaps with their job post. You need to speak their language and literally use their words. Customizing your CV isn't about lying or inflating. It's about context, empathy, and narrative control. The people reading your CV are biased, busy, and always looking for shortcuts. It's about framing your truth in a way that makes sense to them. And in hiring, sense always beats noise. And it shows that you care. And in a world full of half assed applications, effort is a huge moat. And relevance beats brilliance. A perfectly written CV that doesn't speak to the job will lose to a decent one that does. And now with AI, it's easier than ever to do this. So let's get started. Hi, this is Rashi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a prompt to customize your CV for each and every job that you apply for. I'll be demoing three apps here: ChatGPT from OpenAI, Gemini from Google, and DeepSeek. While ChatGPT is free for a limited usage, Gemini and DeepSeek are completely free. First, always for every job application, you want to start a new chat. In ChatGPT, you want to call for Canvas using a slash and selecting Canvas. So, in Gemini, you can do this just by selecting Canvas in the chat box. And you want to use the 2.5 Pro model for this. Canvas is a tool that lets you get one main output for what you asked for in a document viewer in their app. Once you get the output, you can highlight certain words or areas and make changes specifically to them. And if you're using DeepSeek, you can just skip the canvas but make sure to toggle DeepThink so you get better results. Second, you want to copy and paste the prompt that I will be adding in our blog. This includes the context of the task we are giving to the AI along with the instructions and important constraints like not inventing new skills based on the job description we are supposed to provide. When writing a prompt, you want to use markdown language. This indicates clear formatting when using plain text to the AI. Headings can be indicated with 2 hashes, and subheadings can be indicated with 1 hash. And bullet points can be indicated by dashes or hyphens. So let's copy this. Third, now you want to copy and paste your resume and the job description. You want to use 3 backticks here for the AI to distinguish between instructions and the main context. A backtick can be found on the top left of your keyboard under the escape button. So I'm just gonna copy my CV and also the job description that I am applying for. And that's it. Now you just want to hit enter and you will get a customized CV for the job you're applying for. Additionally, if you want to know what changes AI made in your resume, you can ask it to give you a list once it's done, so you can quickly scan through what's changed and what's not changed. If you're not happy with something, feel free to edit it yourself within the canvas, because you can just select it here and you can highlight something and you can edit that specifically. So while that's happening, I'll show you the DeepSeek one as well. I had put the same prompt here. I personally liked the DeepSeek version a lot. If you're planning to use multiple tools, you can even mix and match the things you like from that output, like from the output of each tool. Let me ask it what's changed. I like all of these changes. So once you're done, you can take this content and obviously you want to edit it. You don't want to blindly put it in the PDF, but then you just want to take this content and copy and paste it back into your CV, download the PDF and apply for the job. One last thing, if you're using ChatGPT or Claude, I would recommend using our custom prompt in your customization settings so you get richer responses. I will put that prompt link as well in our description. I hope this video helped. I'm going to be making a lot of videos on how I use AI in my personal and professional life. This week specifically, I'll be making videos on applying for jobs using AI. I'll be covering topics like prompts, tools that you can use, and workflows that you can integrate. And if you've made it so far in this video, please like it and comment if you found it useful. And subscribe to my channel so you know when I drop the next one. Thanks. Bye.